guys did not see, but I accidentally deleted the last video, so I'm just gonna build my way to just do nothing. Okay, this is Marble Run Tycoon. The second. What do you want me to do? I heard my older brother say, do this. I'm in a roller coaster. Driving. Oh man, that's all.
Marble spectate.
I'm gonna do this. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Where am I going? Just a little marble.
You're the white one.
Oh no! Please no! No no! Ah! Ah! No! Build first dropper and some pillars. Oh yeah, I got a little badge. I did not get a little bit of a head start, by the way. I got a tiny head start. Dude, this is a tiny head start. Look, it's so small. It's tiny. I didn't get a big head start. This is tiny. This is so tiny. Nope, it's so lucky. I might have to stop the video. Yeah, exactly.